As managers, you know that good communication is essential for effective management, whether it's about making plans, monitoring progress, or delivering feedback. In today's world, more and more of that communication has to happen in English because we work within multinational corporations, we cooperate with foreign partners, we serve foreign clients, or we hire people who do not speak Polish. In our workshop, we'll give you a very practical, very hands-on experience in how to communicate in English within the IT industry.
Join us to learn how your English skills are perceived by others and how we can improve that perception. To practice and review vocabulary related to job interviews with IT specialists, and to practice conference calls with English-speaking participants. Take part in a mock daily stand-up of a multilingual Scrum team.
Our workshop will not be a lecture. It will be a very practical, immersive experience where our experienced language trainers will act more as facilitators rather than teachers, which is why your input will be crucial and your participation, and which is why we're extending this invitation to those of you who speak English at the upper intermediate level or higher.
So please join us at our stand on February 6th and our workshop on February 7th.